Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside After Effects with the edit ready, import your final render first, then create a dedicated comp at 1920x 1080 and 30 FPS. Once done, set the duration to cover the last 20 seconds of your video. That's the end screen window. Make a solid background layer and drop guides for the 16:9 safe area so clickable elements don't get cut off. Also, arrange your assets into labeled bins. This reduces fumbling while positioning elements, and it keeps your workflow fast and precise. Now design your end screen. You'll place 3 clear placeholders: subscribe, playlist, and suggested video. Use shape layers for frames and text layers for call to action. Keep type large and legible. Animate simple motion, scale from 90% to 100% with easy ease to draw attention without distracting. Once aligned inside the safe area, add a faint drop shadow for separation. If you plan to finish in Premiere, export the elements as transparent PNG sequences. Otherwise, render a single MP4 with alpha if required. Finish by rendering your composition with a high-quality H.264 preset for upload. Keep a ProRes master if you need future edits. Upload the final file to YouTube and open Creator Studio to place YouTube's interactive end screen elements over your placeholders. Make sure timings match the last 20 seconds and enable the subscribe element on the channel icon. If elements seem off, re-enter After Effects. Nudge safe area margins by a few pixels, and re-export. Small shifts usually fix overlap issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.